Hello YouTube, Dylan here with another drawing tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you all how to make your own picture of my favorite Disney princess, well, one of them, Ariel from Disney's The Little Mermaid. So get a pencil and a piece of paper, let's get started. Just like most human heads, we start with a basic circle shape for the top. And then we draw a sort of soft V shape for her chin. And like I say in all my videos, we draw lightly at first, very loosely. And then we need to put in this cross to know where the middle of her face is and where the eyes will fall. Then I'm gonna put in where the neck goes. And then I'm gonna break down maybe kind of a sideways oval here for one part of the hair. And maybe a similar thing right here just for now. These are just basic shapes. Now that we have those, now it's time to get into some details. So we're going to draw her eyes. And her eyes are very simple, almost kind of egg shapes, although they have pointed ends. And now we're putting in her eyelashes. And she's got 7 of them. And then right here, you're going to put a line there for her eyelid. Now we're going to draw another one of those circular, triangular shapes. Here's the side. Gonna get the bottom side as well. And now we need to draw her other thing of eyelashes. And then we're going to put the small line there for the eyelid. And then, right here, you'll draw these kind of half moon shapes for her eyebrows. And they are really, really thin, unlike most eyebrows. So, be very careful when you're drawing these. All right, and then we'll draw her nose. It's basically just these two, both forwards and backwards comma, followed by this kind of curved or soft V shape or sort of a boomerang. And now let's draw the details of her eyes. So we're going to put these circles in. These are the irises of her eyes. And same thing with right here. And then you're going to put another circle inside. These are the pupils of her eyes. And then right at the top right, you're going to draw these little circles inside for the highlight marks. Meaning that when a light hits your eye, it creates a reflection inside your eyes. I'm just gonna darken these eyes in, and then you can darken those in, and don't leave the white spot. And now let's draw her mouth. So we're going to draw this kind of almost like a bow shape, or like a bow and arrow shape without the arrow. Then you're going to draw another one, and except this line's going to be a little bit more straight, like this. Then put these small little dimples right there as well. And then you're going to make this U shape for the lower lip. Her mouth's going to be open in this drawing. And then we got to get the other part of her lower lip, which goes like this. After that, we need to give her teeth like that, and the lower teeth there, and her tongue. And then we color in her mouth like that. Now, before we get to her hair, we should define her head a little more. Okay, we've defined her head the way we want it. Now we need to draw her hair. So what we're going to do, you're going to start right here by her eyebrow and then make a long kind of C shape that goes over like this and curves up like that. Okay, then what we do now is we bring this curve here down like this. And then you should also put these kind of triangular shapes on the sides, because that's like the hair that goes over her ears. And then just draw these curves for the ears. And then right here, you'll draw another C shape a lot bigger than the other ones for her hair, for the rest of her hair. And then you're going to bring this curve all the way down like that. And then gotta get the top of her hair, which would be a curve that goes up like this. And then you're gonna make a backwards S shape that goes down like this. It's like a hook. And then you're gonna put another curve like that. And we should also get the back side of her hair more. And we need to get the inside as well. More curves. There's a curve there. And some detail right there. And maybe we should also put some detail in her hair, upper hair as well. Like some lines. And on the side. And then we need to get this side of her hair as well. So we'll draw, that's like a shoulder line. And then here's a curve, like a S shape. Followed by a point, a curve, and then make this curve that goes all the way up to her ear, like that. There's some detail there, and here. And then you're gonna put another curve here. And then you're also going to put a shoulder line there, and then make a kind of a backwards S curve right there. Some detail and more there. And maybe put some here as well. And maybe put a little shoulder here if you want. And there you go. You have your own picture of Princess Ariel. I hope you had fun learning this with me. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more, and we'll see you next time. Bye.